welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick project share showing off some of the things that I created using my Alina craft stamps, not stamps, sorry, die cuts that I picked up from the 11/11 sale. So first I will show you the stamps that I used. Do you know what I should grab? I should grab a ruler. Okay, so first I will show you these stamps. Let's not swing my arms all over the place. So I'll show that again. First I will show you the stamps that I used. No. So actually I will just show you the projects and then I will show you these die cuts that I used with the projects and let you know how big they are and things like that. So the first thing I did was this adorable little card right here. So it's just a simple little A4 card, 5.5 by 4 2/4, and I used two different die sets with this one. With this one I used the Merry Christmas border die, and then I was actually surprised once I took it out. I realized that it was the whole square. I thought they were frame dies, but they're not. They do cut out the entire square as shown by this red piece of paper. So these dies are, because I totally realized I did not do this in my last video. So these dies are 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. Three 3/4 by 3 3/4. And 4 just under 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. So you get a 2, a 3, and a 4-inch basically. Well, 2 3/4, 3 3/4, 4 3/4. Yes. So there's those, and then the adorable little penguin and present I took from this stamps or die set right here, and then I just cut them out of white paper and colored them with my alcohol markers. So these all are pretty small, as you can see in the palm of my hand here. So the present is what, 1.5 by 3/4. The candy cane, 1.5. Yeah, they're all about 1.5 inches, 1 to 1.5. This 1 1/4. Let's see, let's go here. We got 1 3/4, 1.5. So we got 1 1/4, 1 3/4, 1.5. And the penguin is 2 1/4. So those are all nice and small, simple, easy to use. Get them all out of my way. And then the next one I did was this super cute and simple gift card holder. So you just pop the top up here and you have a gift card holder. I really like it. It will come in very handy for Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, coworker gifts. I mean, just pretty much anything. And that is this die set here. You just, let me explain really fast. There's a lot of pieces to it. So for this one, you will cut out one of these, which is going to give you the white part here, and then you'll fold that up, fold in these tabs, fold in these tabs, and then close it up, glue it together, boop. And then these 3 pieces here will cut out this piece, and this piece. And then you have 2 different heart shapes. You have a ruffled heart border. I don't know how well you can see that. So a ruffled heart border, and then just a regular heart that you can then cut out and line here so that you can actually like make the heart noticeable. And then it also includes, where did the other piece go? I'm missing a piece. Oh, no, there it is. It came with a bow. So that's the bottom. Here is the, actual bow part, and then a little middle piece to wrap your bow with. The last item that I did with the items that I purchased from the 11/11 sale is, so excited, look at this house, guys. So it is the little house gift box. I need to untie my little guy here. So this is a gingerbread man that came with it that you can cut out as a gift tag. Then the roof comes right off, and it opens up into a very adorable little gift box. And once this gift box is finished, it measures out to just over 3 3/4 by 3 inches. So about 3 by 4. And then we're only counting the bottom here. We're looking at 2 1/4 inches. I'm sure depending upon what you're putting in it, you have 5 inches worth of space. So nice, decent sized box. And then you just boop, pop that right on and tie your little gift tag on like I had it. And you have a very cute little gift box to give out to people. And so this one's really simple too. Well, excuse my dogs, the Amazon guy just showed up. So, all right, let's try this again. So for this gift box, it comes with 2 separate pieces. You will have this large one in the back that's going to cut your side pieces. You have this large one in the front that cuts these larger side pieces. In this side, you get a roof piece, and that's how you get here. And then inside this one, as I'm throwing pieces on the floor. All right. You get all of the cutout pieces. So each one of these squares and the triangles, I have a couple more of them over in the other side, will be these pieces here and on the bottom. Then you will get all kinds of things. So we have on top of the gingerbread tag, you get a Christmas tree tag. You get the dies for the handle and the cutout of the handle so that you can also put, layer that as well. You get a standard gift tag. You get this piece right here, which is used to make like siding on your house or siding on your roof, so you can make multiple pieces and then layer it going all the way down. You get the pieces to cut out the holes of your handle. And then you get 2 little window pieces to create these windows right here. And I didn't pop mine out, so I have a thicker border going around my window, but you can pop these pieces out and separate them and then have just like the little windows and then a little cutout, and you can have, basically looking the exact same as this on to your board, but I didn't really care for that. I liked the thicker border, so that's how I chose to do mine. All right, so those are all the projects that I have done so far with the dies that I picked up from the 11/11 sale. I also picked up all of the mini album die cuts, and so I am going to start working on a mini album this upcoming weekend since we have the 4-day holiday weekend, and I'm really excited to have that extra time to be able to put towards crafting. So until next time, thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, turn on the little notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I post a video, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.